DJT stock analysis Monday next week and onward. Am I buying? I'm covering all this in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. First simple answer is going to be that I'm still quite bullish, and we can see that last week's performance was bullish as well. Closed off being up around 17% for the week. It was even higher at some point, but you know, we kind of retraced lower, and this is where we are at the moment. A very tricky situation. It would only make sense for me to start buying here if the price pulls back into my demand area and gives me that double break, right? So let me just, oh yeah, this is how it looks like. Overall speaking, I'm not going to be just buying randomly here, right? All I said was if I want to see retracements, and only then that's something that I'll take out. Just for context, right, you have to also be aware of the fact that unless the rules are met, I'm not even interfering with this. So I just want to make this thing clear. I'm very strategic with what I take, what I don't. This purely because I've done 30,000 videos over the last 4 years, you know. So if you want to learn it for free, click the first link below.